In this session, let us learn about NumPy searching arrays. Searching arrays. You can search an array for a certain value and return the indexes that get a match. To search an array, use the where method. Find the indexes where the value is 4. See, now using np.where method, see the result returns this. The example above will return a tuple array 3, 5, 6, which means that the value 4 is present at index 3, 5 and 6. Find the indexes where the values are even. See, now we are finding the even values. See, array 1, 3, 5, 7. The result returns this. Now, find the indexes where the values are odd. See, while executing this code, the result is array 0, 2, 4, 6. Search sorted. There is a method called search sorted which performs a binary search in the array and return the indexes where the specified value would be inserted to maintain the search order. The search sorted method is assumed to be used on sorted arrays. Find the indexes where the value 7 should be inserted. See here np.search sorted array 7. The result returns 1. The number 7 should be inserted on index 1 to remain the sort order. The method starts the search from the left and returns the first index where the number 7 is no longer larger than the next value. Search from the right side. By default, the leftmost index is written, but we can give side is equal to right to return the rightmost index instead. See the example. Find the indexes where the value 7 should be inserted starting from the right. See, array 7 side is equal to right. The result returns 2. The number 7 should be inserted on index 2 to remain the sort order. The method starts the search from the right and returns the first index where the number is no longer less than the next value. Multiple values. To search for more than one value, use an array with the specified values. See the example. Find the indexes where the values 2, 4 and 6 should be inserted. See, NumPy search sorted order is called 2, 4, 6. Print x. See the result returns 1, 2, 3. The return value is an array 1, 2, 3 containing the 3 indexes where 2, 4, 6 would be inserted in the original array to maintain the order. Okay friends, this is the end of part 13 array search. In next video, let us learn about another topic, array sorting. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.